Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mustansar Yaqub and I am English language and IELTS trainer. Today in this video I would like to discuss about IELTS writing task 2, that is essay writing. In essay writing you have got 40 minutes and you have to write 250 words essay, and in this essay there are 3 parts. The first one is the introduction, and the second is the body paragraphs, and the last one is the conclusion. When you write an essay, you must make sure that they all are separated from each other. If they are not separated, then your essay will be a big blunder and you will get very low marks in essay writing task 2. So how can you separate your introduction from the body paragraphs and the body paragraphs from your conclusion? You have to use the paragraphing style. Well, there are 2 possible paragraphing styles that you can use in essay writing. In style A, you can look at it. You have to start your sentence from the beginning of the line, and then you give a space between the paragraphs. Now the first you write your introduction and start from the very beginning of the line, and then you give a space of 1 line, and then you start your body paragraph, and same goes on. When you finish your first body paragraph, then obviously you start your second body paragraph, and you have to give a space of 1 line so that it can be separated from the first body paragraphs. And it depends on the length of your essay. If you want to add another body paragraph, you can also add it by giving a space of 1 line between the second paragraph and the third body paragraph. Now last one is the conclusion. So same here, you give a space after the third body paragraph and then you write your conclusion. So this is called style A, and you can adopt it if you want to. As compared to style A, style B is a little bit difficult. Not that much, but you have to keep it remember in your mind. You have to give space before starting the sentence. So if you look at this picture, it is very much clear. When you start your introduction, you have to give a very small space from the starting of the line. And this use is not quite common. But if you look at the style A, most of the books and the other material is written in style A. It's only the matter of your choice. There is no any rule. You can adopt anyone whatever you like. And if you look at the style B again, it goes on. Whenever you start your next body paragraph or the conclusion, every time you have to give space before you start your sentence, but don't give spaces between the paragraphs. Now it seems quite difficult for the reader. The style A is recommended by me. If you use it, then your essay will be more beautiful and attractive. I teach English language and IELTS. If you wish to join my online classes, you can contact me on this number. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you keep on getting more and more videos in future. I wish you all the best. See you later. Take care. Allah Hafiz.